Hi everyone, welcome to this breathing meditation. I chose 3 breathing techniques for this meditation. The first, it's quite an active one. We will start with Kapal Bhati. It's a fire breath to activate the energies in our core area. Then we're going to transition to Nadi Shodana, where we will balance our both sides, the female and masculine side, or sun and moon, or yin and yang. And at the end, we are just going to have a deep yogic breath to end and have time to just enjoy the calmness we can experience after these breathing techniques. So I'm going to explain each one in the beginning, but I will of course also guide you throughout this activity. So the first one, Kapal Bhati, is we inhale and then we exhale, powerful, pretty fast. And we do this 10 times before we again inhale deeply. And then again, 10 times exhale. And we exhale out of the nose. So if you need to blow your nose, you might want to do that now. Then the second one we will transition is the Nadi Shodana. And for that, you want to take your right hand, you inhale, and then you close your right nostril, and you exhale throughout the left. You inhale on the left side, close that with the ring finger, and hold the breath for a second or two, and then you exhale out of your right. Inhale through the right, and you can already practice with me. Yeah, inhale through the left, close, open the right, exhale. I will guide you through, so don't worry. Now you can have thumb and ring finger here and just fold the index and the middle finger, or you put middle finger and index finger on the area between your eyebrows. I'm going to do it like this because I like it like this. And then after these two, we will just have deep breathing. I will guide you through. So let's get started with Kapal Bhati. If you feel your head gets dizzy, this is normal. If it gets too dizzy, then just take a break, inhale, exhale, start again. Okay? Now, if you are pregnant, don't do Kapal Bhati, just breathe normal. Yeah. Okay, inhale and then exhale fast 10 times, forceful. Inhale. Exhale 10 times. Inhale. Exhale 10 times. Inhale, exhale, normal. Let's increase it to 20 times. Have your eyes closed. Inhale, and then forceful exhale. Try 20 times. Inhale. And again, exhale. Inhale. Last round, 20 times. Inhale deeply. Exhale gently. Now get your right hand ready. If you want, place index and middle finger between your eyebrows. Inhale through both nostrils. Then close your right nostril with your thumb of your right hand and exhale through the left nostril. Inhale through the left. Close it with your ring finger. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Hold the breath. Close the right nostril with the right thumb and then exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Close it with your ring finger. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Hold a moment. Exhale through the right. Now keep going in your own pace. Between each breath, try to add some break. If your right arm gets tired, then just drop it for a moment and then continue. We're gonna do 10 more rounds. Finish your last round. We're gonna end with an exhale through the left nostril. Keep your eyes closed. Bring the hand down onto your knees. You can face both palms up. Have all the fingers close together. Keep your eyes closed and breathe. Just deep inhalations all the way down into your core area, into your chest and into your shoulder area. And when you exhale out of your shoulder, chest and core. Inhale, chest, core, chest, shoulder. Exhale, shoulder, chest, core. Inhale, core, chest, shoulder. Exhale, shoulder, chest, core. Keep going with this deep yogi breath. And maybe you can feel a bright light behind your eyes where they meet, behind the eye center. Focus on that point behind your eyes while you continue with this deep yogic breath. When thoughts come, let them go away again like clouds that come and go. Don't interact with the thought. Keep the focus inside of you. And with that focus on your breath and that center behind your eyes, just sit in silence for a moment. And then slowly come back here. Check in with your body, your mind. Maybe you feel more peaceful. Maybe the sounds around you are much louder than they were before. Just take notice, witness. Breath is such an important tool we can use to feel more balanced, to feel less stressed, and to regain energy. So whenever you are facing a stressful moment, remind yourself to just take a few deep breaths to tell your body there's nothing to worry about, it's all good. And you will quickly notice the change inside of you. Now close your hands in front of your heart, touch your heart with your thumbs. Drop your head, relax your neck. And when you're ready, open your eyes and come back here. Thank you very much. Let me know in the comments how you liked it. And I hope to see you next time. Namaste.